Hi, my name is Mike Timmons. I'm a sales consultant at Hammonasset Ford in Madison, Connecticut. And today I'm going to talk to you about the latest vehicle technologies that Ford has available. I've selected a 2019 Explorer XLT that starts off with the Sync 3 system, which has an enhanced voice recognition, gives you the 8-inch touchscreen, has App Link where you can download Waze, Ford plus Alexa, Pandora, and more apps. Also has a 911 assist, and you can also use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through that. If you don't have one of those systems, it has its own navigation system with a voice-activated touchscreen. Setting destinations and favorites in the system is capable. You've got pinch to zoom capability on the screen, and also comes with traffic alerts. Then the next level we go up into Ford Pass, and this is a new system now where you download an app onto your phone. It's very easy, even a 60-year-old could do it. And once you download that and set up an account, then you can go into activate it on the vehicle, and not only does it give you a bundle of mobility services, you got access to one-on-one help from Ford guides, and you can actually locate parking with the Ford Pass. But then the next step, which this vehicle has capability of, what I'll show you in a little while, is the Ford Pass Connect. And with that system, you can remote start your vehicle and climate control system. You can locate the vehicle and check approximate fuel range. You can get a health report. You can connect up to 10 devices, including tablets, laptops, and smartphones. And you get complimentary data trial through AT&T. But the big thing that customers seem to like the most is the remote start from your phone. We're now in the 19 Explorer XLT that has the Sync 3 system with the Sync Connect capability. And as you can see, I've downloaded the app onto my phone. There was a registration process. I created an owner account and I entered the VIN of the vehicle. And now all it needs to do is get activated. And we'll follow a couple steps here. It's gearing up. We got vehicle details. And now we want to activate the vehicle. All right, it says you're almost set. Now all we have to do is turn the vehicle on. And then we'll get some prompts on the screen. Mike T has requested access to this vehicle via the Ford Pass application, so we want to allow that. A little bit of a setup process. Authorization complete. And it's still downloading some information. What will come up on this screen on the home page is the ability to start the vehicle. There it is right there. So here you can see some of the things we can do. We can lock and unlock the doors. We can start the engine. We can do a whole variety of things as far as here's your fuel gauge, has the vehicle location, oil life. We can create a vehicle hotspot. Up to 10 implements can be connected through the Wi-Fi. We can schedule starts for the vehicle ahead of time. If you have a pretty set routine, you want to start your vehicle at the same time every day, it has the capability to do that, and many, many more things. So this is the Sync Connect system that you can access through the Ford Pass, and it's put Ford right up into the top of the technology that's available on vehicles today.